So, bago nagsimula yung band ng Meliden, meron kaming maliit na songwriting duo. Ang pangalan ay The Benjamin. Sino-sino yung nakapag-stream pa nun sa SoundCloud? Oh my God, mga OG. Noong panahon na hindi pa namin alam yung mga streaming platforms, we used to release music on SoundCloud. And after that year, we tried to write a couple of new songs. And this song we're about to play for you has gotten us through a lot of challenging times. And also, whenever we hear your stories of how this song has accompanied you in your dark moments, we always feel that sobrang fulfilling niya at sobrang grabe yung purpose na na-feel natin. So we want to thank you and we want to offer this to each and